ক্লিক করুন অ্যাপের বেল আইকনে আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবিপি আনন্দ। সব সময় থাকুন খবরে।
রাজ্যপাল জগদীপ ধনকর এই মুহূর্তে সাংবাদিকদের মুখোমুখি।
I am happy to greet friends from the media at Raj Bhavan. This is for the first time we are meeting in a press conference after COVID-19 lockdown. Has come to an end. This is primarily on account of the relaxation generated by Unlockdown 1. As Governor of the state, it is my constitutional duty to be concerned with the welfare of the people of the state and to lend to the state government at all times. I need to be shoulder to shoulder with the government, and all the more when it is faced with a stressful situation and challenges. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, please. The state at the moment is deeply stressed as never on account of threefold challenge: COVID-19, fallout of Amphan, and migrant worker-related issues. Amphan, a severe injury of nature. One second. So how do we do it? One second. Is it okay? It's okay? Okay. Are you sure it's okay? Friends from the media, I am happy to welcome you at Raj Bhavan. This is the first time we are meeting in a press conference after COVID-19 lockdown is over. This is on account of promulgation of Lockdown 1 relaxations. As Governor of the state, it is my constitutional duty to be concerned with the welfare of the people of the state and to lend strength to the state government at all times. For the welfare of the people of the state, I need to be shoulder to shoulder with the government, and all the more when the government is faced with such stressful situation and challenges. The state at the moment is deeply stressed as never before on account of threefold challenges: COVID-19, fallout of Amphan and migrant worker related issues. Amphan, very severe fury of nature, has had devastating impact in 16 districts of the state. Kolkata, the capital, has suffered as never before. My sympathies to those who lost their near and dear ones in COVID-19 and Amphan. I condole their death. Many have suffered as a result of devastation by Amphan, and we all need to put them back on rails by engaging in massive reconstruction and rebuilding. This is a time for all those. This is a time for all those who have love for state of West Bengal to come forward to contribute to the state fund. That you contribute is important. How much you contribute is dependent on individual position. Spirit matters. An Amphan initiative was taken by Times Now, India for Bengal. And I as governor have given them a passionate message calling upon the people to come to the aid of Bengal in this hour of need and stand for Bengal so that in times to come, Bengal can stand for India. The contribution of rupees 20 crores by Coal India Limited is greatly appreciated by me. I would appeal and urge all public sector undertakings, particularly those that have foothold in the state of West Bengal, to come forward in this hour of need and make generous contributions to the state fund. I am in touch with some of them. The state has had return of migrant workers in large numbers. We all need to be sensitive in our approach to the issue so that harmony at all cost is maintained. Friends, this is time for center-state partnership in dealing with the crisis we are facing. Constitutional scheme provides for cooperative federalism and all sides need to practice it. Such an approach of cooperative federalism will be greatly helpful in meeting the urgent needs of the people and mitigating their woes. It is a wholesome sign that this cooperation is unfolding in positive manner, more so after the visit of the Honorable Prime Minister, immediately after Amphan landfall was there. This is a time for action in unity and cooperation.